baby. What is it again?
What is happening to me? Who have I offended? Up to now, my boy is nowhere to be found. Everything is going wrong day by day. Who is after me? Who are my enemies? Who are they?
You know I don't like it when you sound this way. It breaks my heart. My love, these people you're talking about are my blood also. I know the ache I go through every day just thinking that they are gone. Anytime I see you this way, it just makes me feel like I'm less important. And that is why I'm here. Listen, I'm here to fill up the vacuum they left. To make you a better person, to brighten up your day, because I know how much you cherished them. Even if what I'm doing is not an easy task, but I'm doing it for a sister. And I also need you to remember that I'm pregnant. So you see, it's complete. Cheer up, please. And I'll take you out tomorrow. I'll take you to somewhere beautiful, somewhere we can have fun, somewhere where we can erase these memories. Okay? So please smile for me. Come on. Okay, the baby wants you to smile for him. That's more like it. You see how happy he is? He's kicking already. You know what?
That's okay.
All I need you to do right now is go upstairs, shower, and then come back because I prepared you something really, really nice. Come here. Good. So, I'll take you up myself. Let's go. please, please. Please, I beg you, don't kill me, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me, please. Please. Aku, please.
My twin sister runs. Even when nothing should happen. Because she has sinned against heaven and earth. She has desecrated the sacredness and the sanctity of your blood. Blood. I thought they say it's thicker than water. Than what? Was I really right?
Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You should not worry about me. You should worry about the forces. The forces of nature. The air you breathe. The water you drink quench your taste. Even the very ground which you sit on is angry with you. Everything. They come in full force with raging fire. And when they strike, nothing stops them. Absolutely nothing. My advice to you, my sister, is to confess. Hurry and confess all your sins before it's too late for you. Confess all your sins before it's too late for you. Hurry. No. Hurry.
What is it? What?
She attacked me.
Who attacked you?
No. She was here.
Take it easy. Who are you talking about?
Aku attacked me. She was standing. No. She was here. She stood here. No. Yes.
Which Aku are you talking about?
I mean, Louisa. No. Baby, Louisa, she attacked me. That lady is evil. She attacked me. She wanted to kill my child. Louisa, she was here. She was here.
Let's go. Come on.
No, come to the side. Come to the side.
Let's go. Okay.
Sienike, akwe mweri isi iya chongu chasienike omwa mambia ade bete yana kwa ada wata yana so ifore metalu nenuwa obulu ya iye bakwa besienike akwe mwerisi iya chongu chasienike omwa mambia ade bete yana kwa ada wata yana so ifonye metalu nenuwa obulu ya
Babe.
I am trying to check something here. I think I'm mistaking something in my calculation. You remember the last time I traveled to Dubai? A trip before the last one I just entered.
If I'm not mistaken, that was April last year.
12 months ago.
Yes.
I don't know. 12 months ago, you've been carrying this baby in your womb. And since then, there's no sign of labor. Well, what's going on?
I don't know. I'm confused too. I've been asking myself same question. I don't know what's happening.
This is strange. Your wife seems not pregnant.
Huh? Pardon me, please. Hold on. Hello, Mr. Man. Please, stop calling me. I've told you that I'm not interested in your 1 naira business. I am not. Stop calling this phone, please. Thank you.
Quite unusual, she is not pregnant.
What? What are you talking about? How can you be playing with delicate issues like this? Are you drunk or what? Not to say that my wife is pregnant. If she's not pregnant, is she carrying your head in her tummy? Or is he Kogunafo?
I have been in this profession for 15 years. And I am 100% sure of what I am saying. And the least I can do in such cases as sensitive as this is make jokes out of them. Like I said earlier, she is not pregnant. I see a case of salpingitis. It is...
Excuse me, what's Dr. What? What are they calling you? Salpin what?
Salpingitis.
Are you drunk? Are you drunk or blind?
Just stand.
What the hell are you talking about? You see why I always tell you to go see Dr. Paul? Because he's the best in town. Because there's a lot of quack doctors in this town. No matter how far the hospital is, go there and meet him because he's the best in town. There's a lot of quack doctors.
I take an exception to that, Mr.
Exception to what? No. Exception to what? If you're not quack, you shouldn't have been drunk or blind not to see that my wife is pregnant. What are you telling me? I know this is not the first time she's coming here. She has been coming here. If you're not quack, you wouldn't have looked into my eyes and tell me that my wife is not pregnant. Meanwhile, we are seeing the pregnancy.
Mr. Greg, I cannot take you sit in my office and insult me. If you think I am quack, then take your wife to the right doctor. I cannot take you sit down in my office and call me quack. What do you mean by that?
Good doctor, quack Dr. Ibeli.
Excuse you?
Quack, like you. Oh, quack people everywhere. What is this? Ah, God. Wait, please, can we go now? Can we go? Before they whack us. Can we go?
There is no fatal development in your wife's fallopian tube.
Hello. I don't really understand. Even sometimes, so even the doctor, this medical terms, language, just when you go in here, just break it down for me.
Your wife is not pregnant.
So
Nne, I've checked. There's nothing wrong with your phone.
But earlier when I was carrying it, it was hot.
Nne, I've checked. There is nothing wrong with your phone. If there's something wrong, I will notice.
Why has my daughter Asama not be calling me? I've been calling her and I can't even get her. The last time I heard from her, she told me they were going to the city to do a Igbo wedding. I cut the phone on her because I was angry. The elders and I had not agreed to the marriage. Maybe that is why she's not calling me. But I am not angry with her again. At least let her call me. See, I am no longer angry with her. It was that time. I don't know what to do. Okay, now okay, what back I can when
Mama, Nne, you worry too much. Eh? As some mother that I know will call you.
But why? Why hasn't she called me?
She will call you. But Nne, have you tried calling her yourself?
When the son has been calling her for me severally, and somebody picked up the phone and said that my daughter's phone is not reachable. That means she's still angry with me. But let her call me now.
Nay, she is not angry with you. I know. Eh? Maybe she's just busy or something. She will call you.
When will she call me?
Nay, that might be poor network.
Poor network. Every time you tell me poor network, they say let her call me. They say where I'm feeling that I don't like, that I don't like. They say that I have forgiven her. She's my only child. I have forgiven her. Tell her to call me. You promised me. I know. No. Let her call me.
Mama, stop moving.
We are one body, one soul, inseparable. But you treated us. You killed me. You killed me. You killed me. You still loved. You killed me. You killed me. You killed me.
Stop. I want to pee. I said you should stop. I want to pee. Can you listen to me? I said stop. I want to pee. You're not listening to me. I want to pee.
What is this now? What is going on? Eh? What is going on? Hey! What is going on? What is this smell? What is this smell? Where is it coming from? Where is it coming from? What? Oh. No. This is too much. This is too much. Oh. Oh. Come on. Let's go.
This smell.
We are one. One body. One soul. Inseparable. But you killed me. You killed me. You killed me. You killed me. You took your own blood. You killed me. You killed me. You took your own blood. Mama, you killed me. You killed me. You took your own blood. You killed me. Mama, you killed me. You killed me. You killed me. You took your own blood. You killed me.
It was you? Such an offensive smell coming from my wife's body. How? Since when? What is going on?
I don't know my husband. I don't know.
Okay. What is it that you are not telling me? What?
Ejimama, we are one body, one soul, inseparable. But you treated us. You killed me. You killed me. You killed me. You spilled your blood. You killed me. 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 You spilled your blood. You killed me. You killed me. You killed me. Okay. I'm not okay. Fina, I am on fire. I am burning.
What is it again? Is it the pregnancy stuff?
Everything is wrong, Fina. Everything is happening to me at the same time. My life is miserable. I don't even understand what is going on with me. Fina, listen to me. I need someone to lean on. I need someone to stand by me. I just need someone to be with me. I'm losing it.
Calm down, girlfriend. You're sounding so strange. Your mind is not at peace. You need a shoulder to lean on. Even though your husband is not happy with the recent development, I mean the overdue pregnancy, but he can still provide you with what you just mentioned.
Fina, you don't understand. You don't understand. My marriage is slowly tearing apart. My marriage is not what it used to be. I can't meet my husband. He goes out without telling me. He goes out without letting me know his whereabouts.
Calm down. Calm down. There's always a solution to every problem.
Are you sure?
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Let me get to work with you.
My God, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
Baby, I know you are very angry with me right now.
Just shut up. Shut your mouth. Who are you? Who sent you to me? What is your mission in life? You are not talking. I will not ask that again. You were sent to destroy me. I was so wrong. I was wrong. How could I use evil for replacement? How could I have done such a thing? I thought she could fill the vacuum created by demise of my lovely wife. Oh,
I love
how I missed my wife.
Please. You know I'm always here for you.
Just shut up! Just shut up. You imposter. You are a life destroyer. You are nothing but thorn in the flesh. That's what you are. Do you know who that woman was? Do you know what that woman was to me? She was my mother. She was my mother. She was my father. She was the siblings I never had. That woman was the shoulder I lean on whenever I'm stressed. She was the only person who can advise me. She gave me the wonderful advice of my life. She was a wonderful woman. She was a perfect woman. She brought destinies, wonderful destinies into my future. She brightened my days and made my world complete. But you came in and destroyed everything with misfortunes, with evil things. Who are you? How I missed my wife. How did I even get here? How did we get here? How did we get here? How?
Greg, please.
God.
Please.
God.
You're breaking my heart. You're breaking the heart of your pregnant wife.
She has said the worst part of it. Who told you? Who told you you're pregnant? Who told you that? Who told you you're pregnant? The doctor said there is nothing in there. Nothing. All you have in there is shit. Afotogi. Afotogi. All you do is to eat my hard-earned money. After eating, you get filled and have a lot of shit in your tummy. Don't worry, Hosema. Okay, let me ask you. When was the last time you used the toilet? You're never pregnant. Asani, when was the last time you used the toilet?
You said you loved me. You said you loved me, Greg.
Love Wogeba. May that love kill you. To love, is it by force? Is it by force to love? I do not love you. Hey! Upright! Don't you ever touch me with that filthy hands again. Don't you ever. Love is not by force. I do not love you. You are evil.
Greg. Please. Even if you don't love me, please. Just pretend. Pretend that you love me, Greg. Because I love you. Because my romance make you from Nanya. Because Greg make you. Else you would just wake up one day to find me dead. Please.
If you die with Afonsia, we bury you. Because I do not love you. You are evil.
No.
Now, let me tell you something. You can actually have your way in everything. But you can never get to make me love you. You are an evil woman. That is what you are. Hey. Nemoge wakamwa. Tofiage. Mpama.
If onye metalụ n'elu ụwa, o buru ya. chasienike omama mbia ade bete ya na kwa ada bata ya no so ifonye metalu nenu wa obulu ya Sienike akwe mwerisi iya chongu cha sienike omama mbia ade bete ya na kwa ada bata ya nosa ifonye metalu nenu wa obulu ya iye bakwa besienike akwe mwerisi iya chongu cha sienike omama mbia ade bete ya ifonye metalu nenu wa obulu ya iye bakwa besienike akwe mwerisi iya chongu cha sienike omama mbia ade bete ya na kwa ada bata ya nosa ifonye metalu nenu wa obulu ya.
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Why? Has someone gone there that you don't just hear that question I asked? I said, why are you eating?
Because I'm hungry.
Oh God. Why is it that some people already know that they are burdened to themselves and to others, yet they keep adamant to it? Why can't you do something to help yourself? Am I not talking to a human being? Eh? As someone, whatever you call yourself. Be careful. Be careful. A woman in your state should be doing nothing than fasting. Fast to help yourself. Fast. Stop eating. Stop eating everything you see. Is it a crime for someone to help herself and help people around her? Is it a crime? No, answer me. Is it a crime? Eh? Must you eat and eat and eat everything you see and get fat and be useless to yourself? Do something to help your life. Do something to help yourself. You know what? I've known nothing than misfortune and setback ever since you lured me to get married to you. You're cursed.
Correct.
No, you're cursed. I'm telling you the truth. You are cursed. You're nothing but ill luck. Ill luck, that is what you are. Very useless.
Please. Leave my husband, I beg you. I beg you, speak no more. Please, your words are killing me. If you say one more word, I swear, Greg, I'll kill myself. Please. Please, Greg. I'll kill myself.
You'll kill yourself? Is it not better? Is it not better that you kill yourself so everybody will rest? You even rest. You have peace because you're useless to yourself and to everybody around you.
Greg, please. Please stop saying these words to me. You're breaking my heart, please.
That heart needs to be squashed because you're just useless.
Please.
You want to kill yourself. Should I give you a gun? Should I get you a gun to kill yourself? Yeah? AK-47 or pistol. Which one do you want? Can I actually get you a bomb so you blast out your head? You're just a useless woman. What are you talking about? Yeah? You talk pale with my mind now, but now Costa the Palomio was everywhere. Now actually get what they lachapu. It will take you no chepu. It will take you eat. eating everything. Now you sour everywhere. You're not ashamed of yourself. Useless woman. Nonsense. Help your life, help yourself. Be useful to yourself.
Please, Greg, please. Please, Greg, please. God. What am I doing? I'm sorry.
What is it? Why do you want to kill yourself? Why? What's going on?
I want to die.
What?
I want to die. I want to die. I want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
It has not gotten to that. Please.
You want me dead? You wanted me to die? You want me to die? Just leave me alone.
I was just joking.
Just leave me alone.
You can't take your life.
I want to die.
Okay, I apologize for the harsh word I used on you. I apologize.
It's not your death. It's my own death. Just leave me alone.
No, you cannot die at my house.
Leave me alone.
You cannot die here.
Yeah, let me go elsewhere and die. Just leave me. Leave me.
Have you soiled your hands in blood? Did you take part in shedding blood? The smell, the odor, the stench that comes out of you only stipulates one thing: revenge. Revenge of bloodshed. What have you done? Talk to me. I am your grandmother. What did you soil your hands in?